We are still below 111.64, holding below 111.64. The 9-month channel bottom will keep 80.75 in reach over the next couple of months or sooner. That is the big picture play. And on the daily chart, that 111.64 comes in at 111.36, and that is also a part of a range now up to 113.45. That is a 3-month descending channel top on the daily chart. This zone able to contain buying through the month of May. And from here, if we test it, and we're coming very close to it, we can fall back into the low 80s within 1 to 2 months or sooner. Downside today, and we've got 105.73. Solid intraday support level is the low of the high that was put out last Friday. It has downward pivot point qualities. It can, though, contain intraday selling, and above which the 111.36 level in reach, part of a range once again up to 113.45 that may contain buying through the month of May, and below which selling pressures should yield the low 80s over the next month or two. If we happen to break 105.73, 100.33 is in reach today, well suited to contain daily selling pressures. But after having rallied back up to test long-term resistance and then closing below 105.73 today, I think we've got a good high for the week, and we should then unwind over the next couple of weeks, possibly by the end of next week, to 92.97. There's a newly formed descending channel bottom on the daily chart that is well suited to contain selling pressures on a weekly basis. In fact, if you like to trade the 2 to 3 week time horizon, it is selling 111.36 up to 113.45 and holding out for that 92.97 descending channel bottom as an objective. And if we were to close today below 105.73, I think you only have to hold out for a week or two. So you're either selling on strength, 2 to 3 week swing traders at 111.36, or you could sell on weakness with a settlement below 105.73. Then you're just a week or two away from reaching 92.97. It would be a settlement below 92.97 over the next couple of weeks that would then clearly signal 80.75 as the next 1 to 2 week target. Working our way up today, if we happen to close above 113.45, any short position you establish, I think, should be exited, and you could consider reversing over the next 2 to 3 weeks into the mid to upper 120s. So closing above 113.45 sets off a buy signal into the mid to upper 120s. In terms of going long and staying long, investors who are looking at the 3 to 5 month time horizon, it would be a settlement above the speed line 125.79. I think for the go long signal through the rest of the year, the upper 160s and climbing, then likely within 3 to 5 months or so. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.